Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Thursday, and it's day 38.
Oh my gosh, 38 days we've been in quarantine. We're the quarantine gardeners, if you didn't know that already. And so today we wanted to show you, we're out here and we're gonna do some weeding out in our front yard.
We're actually in this pretty much the same area we were in yesterday because we noticed that we have a lot of weeds to clear. We kind of call this side of our yard no man's land because we really forget to come over here a lot. So it's very overgrown.
It is. So we're gonna give you some tips and tricks that we go through before we start getting into and actually doing the weeding. So it might help you when you get out and do your weeding. So here we go. So everybody, here we are. And so yesterday we showed you our rain barrel where we're gonna set that. So here's no man's land. You can see there's some weeds back here next door to our neighbors here. And yeah, so we got some dandelions, some grass, some different things. But you can also see, we sheet mulched a couple years ago. See right by these little gnome guys right here, our cute little guys. So right off of them is where we stopped mulching. From this point up, there is no sheet mulch or cardboard, but from here down there is, and you can see the difference.
So if you're not familiar with sheet mulching, that means we cleared out space, we weeded, we cleared out space, and we laid down a whole bunch of cardboard. Just flattened it out and put mulch right over the top of it.
So we're not going to put down any cardboard today because we don't have any to put down here. But what we are going to do is we're just going to get this weeded. So this is the before shot.
Okay, so getting up a little closer to our lovely dandelions, Sean's going to show us a couple tips for weeding.
So when you come through here, make sure you know what you want to keep and what you want to take out. So we definitely want to take out this dandelion here, and I didn't get all the roots, but that's another tip. Try to get the roots, because if you don't, dandelions and a couple other weeds out there will regrow from just above their root system or the crown of the plant. So make sure to keep that in mind when you're weeding. So another weeding tip is when you're weeding around plants that you want to keep in mind their roots are down there too. So when you dig down or you're hacking away at some roots of some weeds, the roots of the plants that you want to keep are also there, so try not to hack it up too deep or too much. Just keep that in mind. If you don't keep this in mind, you can end up damaging the plants that you want to keep, and they can get under stress, and that can lead to other problems. Something also to keep in mind is when you're weeding and you pull a plant out, what you want to do is you want to shake the soil off those roots of the weeds so you're not transporting and handling that later on. It can really add up in weight when you're moving different piles of weeds around. So we got everything weeded, and we're going to show you what it looks like now.
We ended up ripping out a little bit more than we'd planned on, and we're going to show you what we mean.
Yeah, so here we go. And you can see the after shot. You saw the before, here's the after. And things are pretty much cleared out. We removed at least 2 of the forsythia bushes that you see right there. Still got some work to do on pruning them, but nothing too crazy to get done.
But we got a lot of the weeds out, and you know, it looks kind of ugly right now, but we need to get our chip drop ordered, so we can get some mulch. Oh, the birds are they're coming in already. So we can fill this in with mulch. Oh,
and something else we wanted to show you is we actually dug up and started phase 1 of installing our rain barrel, and an azalea used to be there. You saw that yesterday. So that's gone, and rain barrel soon to come. So that was the project, everybody. Hope you got some good tips from that, and you can start doing your weeding project too. So go ahead and leave us comments down below and let us know what you thought, and also give us that thumbs up to let us know that we're doing a good job. And subscribe to get updates to our newest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow on Friday, and would you believe it's May 1st already tomorrow? This will be day 39 for our Quarantine Gardeners video series.
So see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye-bye.